Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try to save, there's just never enough at the end of the month? What if I told you there's a smarter, better way to save that could change your life forever? Whether you're trying to save for a dream vacation, your first home, or that emergency fund you know you should have, smart savings is the key to making your money work for you. Scenes of people checking their bank accounts, stressing about bills, then transitioning to them confidently making smart financial decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart savings, how it works, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can start taking control of your financial future today. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to start building real wealth, even if you're just getting started. Why saving feels so hard? I get it. Saving money can feel impossible. Between bills, debt, rising costs of living, and the pressure to keep up with everything from Netflix subscriptions to that new phone, it seems like there's always something eating away at our paychecks. It's like you're always playing catch-up, and let's be honest, it's exhausting. A stressed individual at the grocery store checking their wallet, and another person dealing with an unexpected car repair bill. But here's the thing, saving doesn't have to be hard. It's all about knowing the right strategies. In fact, once you understand the power of smart savings, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. What exactly is smart savings? So, what do we mean by smart savings? It's more than just putting away money in a piggy bank or letting it sit in a savings account earning practically no interest. Smart savings is about being intentional with your money and making strategic moves that will help it grow and work for you. This is your wealth building tree. Instead of thinking of saving as just stashing money away for a rainy day, smart savings is about creating systems and habits that turn your money into a powerful tool. This is the path to financial freedom, no matter your current income. Step 1. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. First things first, let's talk about automation. Did you know that 20% of Americans say they have no savings at all? Why? Because we're human, and let's be honest, saving money manually is tough. But here's a genius trick: automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month, or even better, every time you get paid. Start small, maybe 10% of your paycheck, and let it build. You won't even notice it's gone, but over time, you'll be amazed at how quickly it adds up. People who automate their savings are 5 times more likely to meet their financial goals. Step 2. The power of compounding interest. Watch your money grow now. Let's talk about compounding interest, also known as the magic that makes your savings grow without lifting a finger. It's basically interest on your interest. The earlier you start saving, the more time you give your money to grow. Even if you're starting with small amounts, it can become huge over time. For example, if you start with just $1,000 in an account earning 5% interest and add $100 a month, in 20 years, you could have over $40,000. Just by letting your money sit and grow. That is the power of compounding interest. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Prioritize your future. One of the smartest things you can do is adopt a pay yourself first mentality. What does that mean? It means putting a portion of your paycheck straight into savings before you spend anything else. It's a mindset shift, from paying bills, debt, and shopping first to making your financial future the priority. Think of your savings as the most important bill you have. When you put yourself first financially, you create a solid foundation for the future. Step 4. Budgeting without the pain. Make it work for you. Let's be real, budgeting doesn't sound fun. But it doesn't have to be a restrictive, joy-sucking experience. A smart budget is one that works for you, not against you. It's about giving every dollar a job, whether that's saving, spending, or investing. There are tons of budgeting tools and apps that make this process super easy. You'll know exactly where your money is going, and you'll be able to cut out unnecessary expenses, without feeling like you're missing out. Step 5. Emergency fund. Your lifeline in tough times. We never want to think about the worst-case scenario, but life happens. Whether it's a car breaking down, a medical bill, or an unexpected job loss, having an emergency fund can save you from going into debt or financial panic. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Start small if you need to, but build this fund over time. It's your safety net. Step 6. Invest in your future. Savings aren't just for a rainy day now. Here's where it gets exciting. Smart savings isn't just about putting money away. It's about growing it. The stock market, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles can help your money multiply. You don't have to be an expert, you just need to start. Statistics show that long-term investing in stocks averages a 7% return annually. Even a small investment today could mean a big payoff down the road. Your future self will thank you. Step 7. Cut back without cutting happiness. Minimalism meets smart spending. Saving doesn't have to mean cutting out all the things that bring you joy. It's about spending smart. Minimalism is gaining popularity for a reason. It's about focusing on what really matters and cutting back on what doesn't. You don't need a closet full of clothes you never wear or 5 streaming services you don't use. Trim the fat from your spending, and you'll find yourself with more money and more peace of mind. Step 8. Smart shopping, discounts, deals, and delayed gratification. Who doesn't love a good deal? Smart savings includes being strategic about how and when you spend. Whether it's waiting for sales, using cashback apps, or leveraging coupons, there are plenty of ways to shop smarter without sacrificing quality. Delayed gratification is key. Wait for that sale, shop around, and watch your savings grow. The best part? You'll still get what you want without feeling guilty. Step 9. Surround yourself with smart savers. Build a support network. Saving is easier when you're not doing it alone. Surround yourself with people who share your financial goals, or even join an online community where you can share tips and successes. When you're around people who prioritize smart savings, you'll stay motivated and accountable. Plus, you'll pick up on valuable tips that can make all the difference. The final step. Take action. Start saving today. At the end of the day, the key to smart savings is simple: take action now. Whether you start with automating your savings, investing a small amount, or creating a budget, the time to start is today. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The best thing you can do for your future self is to start saving smart today. Your financial freedom is within reach, and it all begins with that first step. Your future is bright. The future is bright when you take control of your money. Start saving smart, start saving now, and watch your life change in ways you never thought possible. If this video inspired you to take control of your finances, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on smart savings, personal finance, and building a better future. Comment below with your savings goals. I'd love to hear them.